Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to apply promo codes in TikTok Ads Manager. Alright, let's begin. First of all, what you'll need to do is you'll go on Tools right here on your top. And once you go on Tools, you'll see this drop down from where you will go all the way to Finance right here, and you will press on Finance. Now you'll wait for a bit until it loads. And now you can see Finance right here on your left side where you're seeing the payment option. You're seeing the promotions option, and you're seeing the transactions option. Now simply from there, you will go on promotions right here. And as you can see right here, you can already have a coupon already. And you can also add a coupon from redeem ad credits. So these coupons are mainly related to redeeming ad credits. Whereas you can see right here, these are the valid dates. This is the unused amount, and this is the used amount. And this is discount or amount 50% off in this case. For example, is a newbie coupon. So if you've made a new account, this is the coupon you'll get. If you want to add a coupon, you can do that with redeem ad credits. Apart from that, you can go on your top right corner as well. And when you press on that, you can see this right here from where you're seeing save up to 80 in ad credits, 50% off on eligible ad. This is your coupon as well. You can add and use your promotional code from here as well. And you can use it from here as well. So that's basically how you can apply promo codes in TikTok Ads Manager. And that's it for this video. If you find helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.